A weak car horn is a common issue, especially in vehicles over 5 years old. Let's diagnose this problem systematically. Start by testing the horn's sound quality and volume. Listen for intermittent operation and any clicking sounds, which can indicate relay issues. Understanding the horn circuit helps with diagnosis. The system includes a battery, fuse, relay, horn switch, and the horn itself. The most frequent culprits are electrical problems. 70% of horn issues stem from corroded connections, failing relays, or blown fuses. Use a multimeter to test voltage at the horn terminals. You should read 12 volts when the horn is activated. Check the fuse box for blown fuses. Horn fuses are typically 10 to 20 amp fuses and should be visually inspected for breaks in the metal strip. Quick fixes include replacing the relay for $5 to $15, replacing blown fuses, and cleaning connections with electrical contact cleaner. Systematic diagnosis, starting with these electrical components, resolves most weak horn issues quickly and affordably. Start with the simplest and most common solutions. These 3 fixes resolve about 70% of weak horn problems and require minimal tools or experience. First, replace the horn relay. This small component fails in 35% of horn problems and costs only $5 to $15. Simply swap it with an identical relay from another circuit to test. Second, clean all electrical connections. Corrosion and dirt cause voltage drops that weaken horn output. Use electrical contact cleaner and a wire brush to restore proper conductivity. Third, check and replace any blown fuses. A partially blown fuse can reduce current flow without completely stopping horn operation, resulting in weak sound output. Here you can see the difference between a good fuse with an intact filament and a blown fuse with a broken filament. Always inspect the thin wire inside the fuse housing. If the easy fixes don't work, inspect the horn assembly itself. Look for physical damage, debris blocking the sound openings, or internal component wear that affects performance. Loose mounting is a common but overlooked cause of weak horn sound. The horn needs solid mounting to vibrate properly and produce full volume. Tighten all mounting bolts securely. For persistent problems, more complex repairs may be needed. Horn switch replacement addresses worn contacts in the steering wheel, while wiring harness repair fixes damaged or corroded wires. Wiring harness problems require careful diagnosis and repair. Look for damaged insulation, corroded connections, or broken wires. Professional repair may be needed for complex harness issues. Professional wiring harness repair involves systematic diagnosis and careful reconstruction of damaged circuits. This ensures reliable long-term operation of the horn system. When all else fails, complete horn assembly replacement provides a permanent solution. Modern horns cost $30 to $150 and offer improved reliability and sound quality. Preventive maintenance significantly reduces horn problems. Annual electrical system checks, quality replacement parts, and regular connection cleaning can prevent 80% of horn failures before they occur. Following this systematic approach from simple fixes to complete replacement ensures successful horn repair. Most problems resolve with basic maintenance, but knowing when to escalate to professional help saves time and money.